In front of me is Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to personalize Control Center on the following device. So at first, let's take a look at the current setup here. Here you've got the icons for each feature, and if you'd like to change it, if you'd like to add some other apps here and remove some of them, you have to open the settings, then find and select Control Center, mark it, and here you can smoothly personalize it. So you can add another icons by tapping on plus, so for example dark mode, hearing, low power mode or notes, and obviously you can remove some of them by tapping on minus and then select remove. And then if you will go back, you will be able to check the difference. As you can see, it has been already changed. Obviously you can customize it as only you wish, so that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.